Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Insert 2 AAA batteries and confirm polarity before turning the remote on. Replace batteries every 6 months with fresh alkaline cells for best performance. Identify whether your remote uses IR or Bluetooth in the user manual or packaging. For Bluetooth pairing, press and hold home for 3 seconds to enter pairing mode. Watch the Android TV box LED flash to confirm pairing status. For IR functionality, ensure line of sight and keep the remote within 10 feet. Use HDMI 2.0 on your TV for best audio and video compatibility. Use the home button to return to the main launcher from any app. Short press back to go to the previous screen or exit menus quickly. Press and hold back for 3 seconds to view recent app history and manage running apps. Use the directional pad to navigate menus and press center to select highlighted items. The microphone button activates voice search, speak clearly, and use short commands. Volume buttons adjust TV sound when ARC or CEC is enabled. The power button toggles the box or puts it into standby mode. If the remote stops responding, remove batteries for 30 seconds, then reinstall them. Repair Bluetooth by removing the device in settings and restarting both remote and box. For IR issues, clean the emitter and ensure there is no obstacle blocking the sensor. Reset the Android TV box by unplugging power for 10 seconds and then reconnecting it. Update system firmware via settings to ensure compatibility and fix button issues. If problems persist, consult the manufacturer support for model-specific commands or replacement remotes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.